Okay, so if you're a content creator, you know you've already done the really hard part, right? You've built an audience, and more importantly, you've earned their trust. But the big question is always, how do you turn that influence into actual sustainable income? Well, today we're diving into a really powerful option that a ton of creators are using, the Leadpages affiliate program. Let's not beat around the bush. Let's start with the number that gets everyone's attention. $400. That's what you could make for every single new customer you send their way. It's a pretty compelling number, and it really shows you the kind of earning potential we're talking about here. And this really is the core challenge, isn't it? You've got this incredible audience, you've built this relationship on trust. So what's the right way to make a living from that without, feeling like you're selling out or damaging that connection? Affiliate marketing, when you do it the right way, can be an amazing answer. So let's get into our first section and talk about the basic idea here, turning your passion into actual profit. At its heart, it's all about leveraging that audience you worked so hard to build by recommending products you genuinely trust and believe in. What's really great about the Leadpages model is just how straightforward it is. There are no crazy, complex payment systems to figure out. It's so simple. You share your unique link, somebody signs up through it, and you earn a commission. It's a direct, clear reward for your influence. That's it. Okay, so now that we get the basic concept, let's look at what makes this program different. I mean, there are a million affiliate programs out there, right? So what is the Leadpages advantage? What sets it apart from the crowd?
Well, this slide lays out the core perks perfectly. First off, you get large, upfront commissions, not just tiny little payments that trickle in. You get a dedicated support team, which, believe me, is huge. You also get something called swipe copy, which we're going to dig into in just a second. And you even get early access to new features. That keeps you way ahead of the curve.
Okay, we have to talk about swipe copy because this is a real game changer. Just imagine not having to spend hours and hours trying to write the perfect promo email or social media post. Leadpages just gives you professionally written content that's designed to convert. It saves you an absolutely massive amount of time and effort. Of course, it's one thing for a company to say its program is great, but what really matters is what the seasoned pros, the people actually in the trenches, think about it. So this next section is all about social proof from some of the biggest names in marketing. First up, this quote from Amy Porterfield is just so powerful. Did you catch that key phrase? The product basically sells itself. I mean, come on, that's the absolute dream for any creator, right? It means you're not pushing something on your audience, you're recommending a high-quality tool that provides so much value that the decision becomes a no-brainer for them. And here, Joanna Wiebe from Copy Hackers highlights a totally different angle, the support system. This isn't one of those, here's your link, good luck situations. No, Leadpages actively invests in making sure their affiliates succeed by hosting webinars and providing really fast, dedicated support. They are literally setting you up to win. And John Morrow from smartblogger.com brings up 2 points that are just crucial. 1, the product is super easy to use. And 2, and this is probably the most important thing, it provides a real benefit to your audience. Promoting something that genuinely helps your followers, that's the most authentic and effective marketing you can possibly do. Okay, so you've seen the potential, you've heard what the experts have to say. Now you're probably wondering, how do I actually get started? Well, let's walk through the super simple 3-step path to start earning. They've made this process incredibly easy. First, you just fill out a quick application. Once you're approved, you get a welcome email with all your resources. Then you just start sharing your unique link on your channels. That's it, you're ready to go. Now, before we finish up, there is one more thing, a really powerful tip that is absolutely critical if you want to maximize your success with this program. It's a simple idea, but wow, it has a massive impact. Just take a look at this chart. It's incredibly telling. On the left, you've got the average revenue for all the affiliates. But on the right, that's the average for affiliates who are also active users of Leadpages themselves. The difference is huge. They earn double. So here's the crucial takeaway from all this. While you don't have to be a customer to be an affiliate, the data is crystal clear. The people who use the product themselves earn twice as much money. And it just makes sense, doesn't it? When you genuinely use and understand a tool, your recommendations are way more authentic, more detailed, and just far more effective. So this brings us to the final question, really. Is this the right next revenue stream for you? Let's tie it all together with one last thought on value and trust. Ultimately, it all boils down to this, right? You have put in the time and the hard work to build a community and earn their trust. A program like this one offers you a way to finally get rewarded for that trust, and to do it by recommending a tool that can genuinely help them succeed. So the only question left to ask is, does it feel like the right fit for you and for your audience?